also want to purchase this kind of beautiful varieties because we deal in a premium range. So this is the Ajrak variety. You wouldn't see anywhere this kind of beautiful variety. So you also want to purchase this kind of beautiful thing. If you want surplus size two-piece sets, then DK Textile will be the best place for you. What variety is this? So this is original cambric cotton A-line set. I will show you one another piece. Look at this. This is the variety. Hello friends, welcome to DK Textile. So DK Textile one more time launched this kind of beautiful cotton coat set at surplus sizes. So what is the special in this variety is surplus sizes. Regular sizes you will get everywhere, but surplus sizes you will get only in DK Textile. So look at this variety. This is the A-line cut coat set with this kind of surplus sizes. Look at this. What size is this? So you can see this is the 52. So this was the best sizes you will get in DK Textile. You will get combo of this kind of variety, bundle to bundle combo. This is the A-line cut top and this is the bottom. From the sizes you can see these are the surplus sizes. These are not the regular sizes. If you want surplus size two-piece sets, then DK Textile will be the best place for you. What variety is this? So this is original cambric cotton A-line set. I will show you one another piece. Look at this. This is the variety. Beautiful color and prints are available in this, and only surplus sizes are available in this. And look at this, beautiful. This is the cut sleeve because sleeves are inside. Yes my friend, you will get inside sleeves of this. Not only this, you will get beautiful side stitching and beautiful color design on this. And look at the beautiful design, how beautiful it look when your customer wear it. This is the top and this is the bottom of it, and the bottom is also as per the surplus sizes. We use original Pharma. We don't cut size the variety because you can see from the sizes like what beautiful it the variety is. And the rate are also very genuine, only 499. Yes, you have heard it right, only 499 for this beautiful A-line coat set. And regular sizes of this variety you will get at only 399. Yeah, you have heard it right. Regular M to double XL sizes of these are also available in DK Textile. These are all Ajrak print coat sets. Yeah, you have heard it right. These are not normal. These are Ajrak print coat set at only surplus sizes at 499. Look at this. If you want to purchase this kind of variety, contact with our salesman. Our salesman number is given on the screen, so you can connect with them. You can connect with DK Textile and purchase this kind of. Look at this. In every bundle you will get 4 sizes, 3XL, 4XL, 5XL and 6XL. So these kind of beautiful combos are available in DK Textile. You also want to purchase this kind of beautiful varieties because we deal in a premium range. So this is the Ajrak variety. You wouldn't see anywhere this kind of beautiful variety. So you also want to purchase this kind of beautiful thing, then DK Textile will be the best choice for you because we have two-piece range starting from 150. Yes, our two-piece range start from 150. These are the 499 surplus sizes two-piece. And what are the beautiful thing about this variety is, look at this. You can see here the prints are beautiful, and these are all mill print variety. Front and back you will see like almost same you will get in the front and back side, and there is nothing happened to this fabric because these are 150% washable premium cotton cambric cotton fabric. And look at this, these all are Ajrak print. Not only this, these are just sample print. We have 150 plus varieties and design on this kind of variety. If you want to join with our manufacturing unit, our salesman unit, and you can connect with the DK Textile and you will get benefit of this kind of variety at a very premium and very low rate. Yes, you have heard it right, the variety is premium and the rates are very cheaper. You wouldn't get this kind of premium thing anywhere else in the world on this rate because we are the manufacturer. We selfly manufacture this kind of variety. Whole process was done by our own, and like the mill printing and the designing and everything like stitching, all will be done in the DK Textile factory. That's why the rate is too much cheaper. So you also want to purchase this kind of variety in wholesale. What are you looking for? Connect with DK Textile, connect with our salesman. Worldwide delivery is available. If you are watching outside of India, then outside India delivery is also available, and pan India delivery are also available. Don't go anywhere else. Connect with DK Textile, connect with our salesman. COD facilities are available, but don't call for retail because we deal in only bulk. Parcel to parcel orders are available on this kind of variety. Look at the variety. Only for parcel order we will give this kind of variety at 499 only, and these are surplus sizes variety. So connect with DK Textile, connect with our salesman and get this benefit of this kind of variety at a very genuine range.